make a video. There goes Bree, G. These commies. I'm just kidding. I'm not a commie. There goes some more people. I gotta get everybody.
Hearts on my cardigan. At the crib telling your girl that we should order in. And tell G to put his feet up on the ottoman. We just up against a bunch of rappers that go harder than damn. I'm so Katrina smarter than a lot of these niggas. Swear the coach is what the starter in. Yeah, and I'm the type to tell your daughter.
I got a whole table right here. What you hiding from? I see you. Look at Zay on the beat. Go. Zay, spit something. I got this table over here. What y'all grubbing on?
Hold on.
Okay, go.
Jump Off 7, October 8th. It goes down like a motherfucker. They go down like a freshman, but not that easy.
Picture girl, it's a video. It's a video, girl. It's a video. Say something to the camera. Okay.
Jump Off 7 up all night though. Jump Off 7.
This nigga still promoting Jump Off 7. Ain't nobody going. I should never put this out.
Hey, bring that back. Hey. She said, honey mustard bitches.
What you talking about over here?
Denny's, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what time it is, 2 something. We faded.
He's faded. Look at his eyes.
She's faded.
No, I'm not faded.
I'm cool. You cool, Zay? You cool.
You the driver?
What you doing? You still hiding? You still hiding, huh?
She hiding.
Oh, we don't know who you are, huh? Okay.
She driving dirty.
Every time I pull my camera out, G pull his camera out. On all my videos, I swear he is.
Hey, check out. Bring it back.
How y'all feeling over here? You look real sick. Y'all sad? I just want to know why we ordered our food a long time ago and they got their food already. I'm about to go find the cook.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna go find the people. No, I'm going to record the scene. I'm going to record. Gotta walk. I brought the camera. Everybody say hi. Everybody say hi. Aaron, you hiding? Say something to the people.
Hey, J07 next
Why
Friday.
why he just said the same
J07
thing?
next Friday.
Can y'all talk about something else?
Be there or be square.
What you gotta say?
Let's talk about.
Oh, that's all they talk about, huh?
This is what I talk about. This is what I talk about. Weed, money, females, more weed, the jump off,
Move.
more money.
You got deck on deck.
Amber, you hiding? Yeah. Hiding, AJ? Y'all ain't trying to promote J07, whatever it's called.
Get out of here. That's so fucking annoying. Okay.
Are you mad? How mad are you? Oh, who's that right there? Kevin? Oh, yeah, I'm mad. I guess I'll stop it.